Hey there! In today's video, we'll walk you step by step on how to check and filter your calls directly from the Advanced Hosted Services PBX Portal. Whether you're a basic user or an office manager, this guide will help you easily navigate the call reporting feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into the portal. Open your preferred web browser and go to advancedhostedservices.com. Once you're on the website, look for the PBX login button and click on it. A new window will appear where you can enter your login credentials. If you don't have your login details yet, no worries. Just send an email to support@advancednetworkservice.us. One of our agents will be happy to assist you. Once you've entered your details, click Login, and you'll be inside the portal. Step 2. Access the call reporting section. From the main portal, navigate to the Reporting tab. Here you'll find all inbound and outbound calls from the past 90 days. If you're an office manager, you'll also see calls for your entire company. Inside the Reporting tab, you can filter your calls and even export them if needed. Step 3. Filtering your calls. To filter your calls, click the Filter button. First, select the date range you want. Remember, you can search calls from the last 90 days, but the range cannot exceed 31 days at a time. Next, you can enter details such as caller number, dialed number, or call type, inbound, outbound, or missed. Once you're ready, press Filter, and your results will appear. If you're an office manager, you'll see more advanced options in the Reporting tab. In addition to the basics, you can also filter by selecting the date range you want, specific users or extension numbers, department, site, if you manage multiple locations, caller number, dialed number, and call type. Set your filters, press Filter, and you'll instantly see the exact calls you're looking for. You'll be able to view details like who made or received the call, the number dialed or extension, the date and time, duration, and how the call ended. Finally, if you'd like to export your call data, just click Export. Your file will download directly to your computer with all the details included. And that's it. We hope this walkthrough helps you have a smooth experience using the AHS PBX portal. Thanks for watching.